Alright guys, we're all in Lstreet. Look at that, there's a cloud in the cloud.
Cloud in the cloud.
That storm's huge. I'm starting to think it's a hurricane. Because it's so big.
Cloud in the cloud.
Look at all those clouds. There's white clouds, there's like a lot of clouds, and over there it's like all stormy. I can see the edge of it. See, it's like all fuzzy and stuff.
Yeah. Cloud in the cloud.
So dark still. I mean, before a cloud covered the sun, it's actually still covering the sun cloud. This looks so dark, scary, and spooky. Spooky, scary skeletons in March. March, I get confused because they're both M's months. Wow. Here we go, guys. It's a very cloudy day, and it's stormy. Because it's been raining for the past couple while. Weather is amazing. So dark. I mean, oh yeah, it looks really wavy. But remember the last time we came to Lstreet and it was windy and it was like flooded?
Yes.
Well, it wasn't flooded in the streets. It wasn't flooded in the streets, but it was flooded to the point where we couldn't walk on the sand.
Oh yeah.
Because I was expecting flooding, meaning in the streets. But technically, it actually was flooded, but still, so they're guys. I'm gonna get a good picture of me in the water by the clouds. It'll look cool. And it's getting a little bit darker because the sun is constantly another gray one, another gray cloud. I'm gonna walk on the pier and get a picture. I'm gonna walk on the pier and get a picture so it comes out good. Probably prepare for rockiness because it's probably gonna be rocky. Look at it. Still dark, guys, still clouds. But the more I think it's high tide. So yeah, we're going to Lstreet. All these cars, like always. This is the bunch. Wow. Oh my God. That's still crazy. Yo, whoa. Oh my God. Oh, an truck. Run for your lives! Run for your lives! Alright guys, we're here. We're here. We need to go out more. Wow. Look at those waves. Wow, there's a lot of waves. We need to go out onto the pier. Probably stupid of me. So high it is. I think it's like high tide or something. See a bomb too. So much big waves. Took way up here, guys, just like always. I wonder what. I don't see any people on it, but oh my God, it's huge. I gotta get it for a picture though. It's gonna gonna be rocky. Oh, sure, it's so rocky. Now that, guys, that's cool. See over there? It's so windy. See, the waves are like getting all crazy. Oh God, it's so windy. Hopefully I don't go into the water. I'm not. Oh, so windy. I think it's kind of stupid of me to go on the pier, right? Well, I hope I'm not gonna die. I'm shaking. Maybe I'll walk and then I'll. Okay, I think it's unsafe. Hopefully I don't. It is rocky. It's not gonna fall because it's held together, but dang, it's rocky. Anything can happen, but you know what? I'm not gonna go out that far because it really is rocky. It's rocking around. This thing is rocking up and down, but I'm not going too far out because I don't. If it does break, then I could just. Wow, pretty amazing actually. See how this? It's so windy. You can see over there, it's so windy. This thing is rocking up and down. Look at that. It's rocking up and down. It's rocky. Jeez. Those. Alright, I'm gonna go. Oh, whoa, look at that wave. I need to go out a little bit more. Yes. Maybe. Look at the pirouetting. Oh, look at that waves. Those waves are huge. Yeah. It's rocking around. Alright, guys. We're here. So you can see it's moving around. Pretty much wave over here. These waves are huge. This is pretty windy. Oh, it's blowing me. The wind is blowing me over here. It's so windy right now. I mean, we're out of water, of course, but we're at the end, ladies and gentlemen. Craziness. Absolutely. It's craziness. Alright. Let's go back. I'm gonna shoot. Let me film this, please. So windy out there. Oh, it's really windy. It's really windy. It's hard for me to walk. Jeez, it's really windy. It's really windy right now. Look over there. I can barely breathe and talk, but look over there how cool it looks. Jeez, it's windy. Oh my God. Oh yeah. That's crazy. Look at this one. Wait. Trying to film this. Hurry, please. I'm trying to film this. Hurry. Let's get a picture of me from my back. Yeah. It's not gonna break though, because it shouldn't break. It's stacked up. Oh, look at that. of it splashing on here. What? Oh, I want to film it. I want to film it splashing. What? I need to film this. Wait. Trying to film it splashing on here. Oh, here it goes. Those are like big. God, look at that. You see it splashing on there. Oh, dude, my phone dies. Why? What? Alright, but it's very windy. Very, very windy. The thing is blowing, and the poles are like big on there. I'm gonna get under a picture. This is the exact pier that I went to. and there's a way out there. But I wasn't actually walk here. Alright guys, I'm gonna go now. Bye!